All right, in today's video, I wanted to show you kind of how we bid out concrete. We have a subcontractor for concrete that we are working with. So he typically gives us numbers and plans, and what we'll do is upload that information. So he texted me all this information here. I pretty much use this as an opportunity. This is a customer. The project type is a residential, and the stage is quoting or pending because we're quoting them right now. We're sending them the estimate. This is the project address. Referral source is contractor. I'll just add one here. About 5 estimated. He told me 64,000. Do the sales date. Installing. Footings. And foundation. Slab. Per plans. And then, so I'll be creating the opportunity here, and I'll be uploading whatever files I do receive. So it's on the desktop. This screenshot here. This is what I received from the contractor that wants us to bid it out. And then I'll click save. So that's how I create an opportunity, and then I'll assign it to you, the estimator. And then that's the opportunity. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.